So how many of us in class has picked up cycling during COVID-19? How many of you are cycling right now? Yeah, and that's what I see, right? During COVID-19, either you become a home cook, you become a chef, or you become a triathlete. That's what you do, right? So bicycle. So if you think about bicycle has actually contributed a lot, not just to health, in terms of our personal health, but also in terms of pushing forward, right? Ladies' status. And if you take a look over here, this is the bicycle. It was introduced in the 1880s. So the story goes that after it was introduced as a mode of transport, you started having people riding a bicycle to different places. What they realized was that there was accidents happening, which is not amazing. But what was interesting was a lot of the ladies were having accidents compared to the gentlemen. Why so? This led to people to make these comments: ladies are not meant for this kind of sports. Ladies are not meant to do this. Very judgmental during those era, right? But if you take a look at the data behind, what happened was the dressing of the ladies at the time. During the Victorian age, they had all these puffy dresses and all this, right? And it got in the way of cycling. That was actually the root cause of everything, right? So what happened was when they realized this, again, I keep saying this in class, right? Solutions are responses to problems. Problems prompts you to become more creative. Now that there's this issue, how did the fashion designers, how did the public react to this? So this was one iteration of the dresses, right? They had something over here that allow you to, fold your dress into half when you're cycling, and then when you're done with it, you can put it down. Not bad, yeah? That was one iteration of it. The other iteration of it was this, whereby you had a dress, but the outer part of the dress could actually be removed, and it can be used as a cape over your shoulders while you're cycling, so that after you're done with the cycling, you have reached your destination, you can remove it, and it can become a nice long skirt again. So this was one iteration, right? So now, why do we talk about this? Once again, right? The evolution of bicycles tells us, right? And the push for ladies' rights, the push for a change in dressing, all this comes with times, and I'm really glad at how we have gender equity over here right now. It's came a long way, right? And the next time you ride a bicycle, think about the role it played in giving girl power to our female counterparts over here.